This video will go over the alignment procedure for the Libra TEM. This is assuming that you're following the handout entitled Part 1, High Resolution TEM Alignment. This handout is stored at the microscope. It's also assuming you've completed the first check procedure on this handout and that you've also successfully loaded your sample, as shown in another video. First, the illumination alignment. Verify that the vacuum levels are all good. The column vacuum needs to be below 2 times 10 to the negative 6th millibar or better. Next, using the button on the left-hand monitor computer screen, click the button that says Open Column Valve. Then, on the same screen, verify that the illumination index is 11 and the magnification is 31,500. Using the small joystick located in the lower left side of the right-hand keyboard console near the microscope, find your sample on the screen. Press Cal to calibrate the objective lens, followed by Focus Aid. This will make the image start wobbling. Using the focus control, now set to Mech, to minimize the image movement. You basically want it pulsing in place rather than bouncing side to side. When finished, deactivate Focus Aid. Using the button on the right-hand keyboard that switches between TEM and Spot, switch to Spot and then press the Cal button. You want to check that a bright spot is visible on the small screen. Switch back to TEM mode. Next, switch from ESI to EELS on the right-hand keyboard. Make sure there's a bright spot visible. Unless you're doing advanced procedures with EELS, you don't need to check much more than this. Next, the illumination tilt alignment. Under the TEM tab, click Objective Wobbler. Then, you'll see Illumination Tilt will be active on the keyboard. Adjust X and Y to minimize the wobble of the image. You basically see two after images that you want to converge on each other. When you're finished, click Objective Wobble off. Finally, we'll correct the objective lens astigmatism. Insert the camera if it's not inserted already. Then select Camera View to activate the CCD image. At this point, raise the viewing screen by pressing M8 on the keyboard. Then, in Digital Micrograph, click Process/Live/FFT to open a live fast Fourier transform of the viewing image. Switch the control to Objective Stig. Then, adjust the focus to get the first order Scherzer defocus ring. This will start out kind of oblong or elliptical, and you want to adjust the objective stig, X and Y, to make it as round as possible. Pro tip, use the oval tool and then hold Shift as you drag to draw a perfect circle on the screen. This will help you in setting the first order ring perfectly circular.